This is a fun seminar that I've had a lot of joy preparing. This is kind of a crash course in what it takes to be a modern spiritual explorer and seeker. Because spiritual survival today is very different from what it used to be. It used to be about being saved. And now it's more a matter of not being saved. Learning how to do it yourself, how to be free. Because why would we want to be saved? It's only when we feel we have no idea what we're doing, that life is too difficult, and we don't have the necessary skills, we don't have the necessary tools. But the thing is, you do. You incarnate fully equipped. We all do. But when we fundamentally misunderstand why we are here and the purpose of existence, we don't understand our toolbox. And modern spirituality is about gradually opening up the conversation, gradually opening up our minds and set us free from the old, archaic ways that hold us back, that limit us, that keep us captivated, enslaved. All spiritual seekers today, they want freedom. But what does that mean? Setting yourself free from something does not necessarily mean that you're competent. You need to be able to survive and thrive and build your life, build your path. And this is what we will look at today, how to fully be a competent spiritual seeker and a spiritual explorer today.